Mike Hughes here. I'm at SeaFear with Captain Dallas, and you want to tell us a little bit about some of the new designs that are out this year?
We got quite a few new things out this year. We got the candy skull coming in all shapes, colors, fashions. Gotta love it.
Candy skull, which is really sweet.
Sugar skull, gotta love it. Candy, sugar, all that. And then we have the pufferfish.
Okay, which is a new species of pufferfish, because this one, it doesn't just suck in water to get big. It actually uses scuba tanks.
I think I lost that one not too long ago in my last dive.
The tank or the pufferfish?
Probably both. Probably both, knowing me.
Okay.
We also got the buffs this year. All sorts of new styles in the buffs. You can wear this all sorts of different ways. We give you a little hookup on it as well. Come check us out. Gotta love all the SeaFear products. Real good guys. I absolutely love them.
And then this year too, besides the scratch marks on your shirt by the Megalodon or whatever, there's a white hat you can see at the very far corner, which has the same scratch marks to go with it.
Yeah, this is our traditional. We also have board shorts, our classic black board shorts with that design. And our board shorts, they have four-way stretch, so they're nice, comfortable. I wear them under a wetsuit all the time. I really enjoy them.
Cool.
You don't rip them out.
And then if they want more information, we're going to go to SeaFear.com.
SeaFear.com. Come check us out. Hit us up. Even if you just want to talk, learn a little bit about what we do, we'd be happy to hear from you.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thanks, man.